I was going to come to McNeese originally, got offered to play football at Northwestern, did that for a year, and then while I was there I was doing business, and then I realized I really wanted an ag degree, so I transferred to McNeese to do ag business. I'm very thankful and happy to be here now. Something for McNeese that I love is the hands-on experience here. We have the farm that we have labs constantly out there. Seeing the way you can apply it in real life really means a lot to me in my experience in education, because if I can't see how I can apply it, then I'm not going to take as much from it. I think that's where I've gotten the most gain out of McNeese, is getting to apply everything that I learn in the classroom to the farm. It's been life-changing, it really has. If I wouldn't have met the people I've met, made the connections, broadened my horizons on education and different opportunities to go work at different places, these opportunities would not have come to me if I wouldn't have been here to learn what I learned and meet the people I met. It's a great place to be, and I'm thankful to be a Poke here at McNeese.